Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Hectendo, and today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the famous Nintendo Switch Joy-Con drifting problem. Now, what causes this Joy-Con drifting problem? Well, there is a technical flaw inside of the Joy-Con right here. It could either be the Joy-Con L and Joy-Con R. Now, this problem usually happens on the right side of the Joy-Con, which is this one right here, and that's because underneath the analog stick right here, let's focus that for you. You can see that it's a piece of plastic. It's like a little ball, and when you move it around, you can see it's precise on that ball. Now, if I could actually take something, right, like a cotton swab, you can actually lift underneath there that little plastic rubber flap, and you can see that you can lift it up, and dust and going can actually go underneath there, which causes the drifting issue. Same thing with the left side of the Joy-Con. You can see it, same thing. Nintendo is aware of this issue, and Nintendo did a repair program where you have to send in your Joy-Cons and they will replace them for free as long as you're under the 1-year warranty of your Switch. Now, I had my Switch since launch, so that warranty is finito. Do I plan on buying new Joy-Cons? Not as yet. If these die out, then I will. So these are the first OG Joy-Cons from its 2017 launch. We're in 2019 now, and they still work. They have a little drifting issue, but after time, I usually just bear with it. I ignore that little drifting issue. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that, and what you guys need is obviously your two Joy-Cons. You could do it if only one side of your Joy-Con has having that issue. You can do it and do another one for future references, but because in this video I'm going to be doing both of them because both of my Joy-Cons are experiencing that drifting problem. You're going to need your Switch, of course. Have a game running. So I'm going to be using Luigi's Mansion 3. You're going to need a cotton swab. Get this anywhere. And you're going to need some alcohol. You can get this at any store. It's probably like around $1 to, I guess, $3. Very cheap. It's not too expensive. So first of all, let me show you guys the drifting issue. I'm not sure if it's going to show in this video, but let's see. So you can see, oops, let's see if we do it. You can see that I'm not touching nothing. Both my thumbs is here. You can see that Luigi is moving by himself. If I was playing Breath of the Wild right now, Link will do the same thing, and also the camera will be, moving on its own. But you can see here, you witness it on video that I'm not touching the analog stick. He is moving on his own. But both my thumbs are here. His back up. You can see he's moving on his own. And that is because, oops. And that is because of the Joy-Con drifting issue. So I'm going to fix that today and show you guys how to do that. Now, this isn't a permanently fixed. This is just a temporary fix, and it will happen again. But if it does happen again, just do the same thing I'm doing right now. So let's. Okay. So what you want to do is you could take your alcohol and your cotton swab, and you're gonna dip it. I don't recommend putting too much. Matter of fact, let's do like this. Take the cover out, and you're gonna pour some alcohol inside the cover. Right? And now you're gonna dip your cotton swab inside there. Boom. Now, oops. So now, let's focus this for you guys. So that's this little flap right here. You're gonna take your cotton swab, and you're just gonna go around it. And go around it. Don't worry about it drying, of using the other paper towel to dry it off, because alcohol really evaporates really quickly. So don't worry about that. Just, just work your way in between that flap. You guys can see that. Right. So boom. So that side is done. Let it dry. Let's do the other side. You can use the other side of the swab and do the same thing like before. You're gonna dip it. And same thing like before. That flap, gonna go all around. Okay. Once you're done with that, what you want to do now is let it dry. And then what you want to do now is want to rotate these 3 or more times in a full circle, so the alcohol, could set inside of the flap of the Joy-Con. And now what you want to do is, let's bring this closer for you guys. Now what you want to do is you want to head to the touch screen. You want to head to the settings and go to controls and sensors and calibrate control sticks. So press down the stick you want to calibrate. You're going to do the left side first. And now just do whatever it's telling you to do.
I don't know if it's a grill, but I'm really excited about the OG ZX8000 coming out.
Oops. Calibrate, when is it calibrate? Okay. Now, boom.
So, keep it easy, man. Keep it easy. To answer your question, it'll probably be Legend of the Summer 2.
All right, now rotate it. Calibration is complete. Then you do the other side now. X calibrate, boom. Okay, then rotate. Calibration is complete. And now, go back to your game. And let's see. So you can see it stopped. But it will happen again probably in a week in time. But that's how you actually fix the Joy-Con drifting. Temporary fix, but So thank you for watching my video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at trini.keem. If you guys want, you guys can add me on my Nintendo Switch online. There you go. Here's my friend code. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one.